Being in no contact with an avoidant is such a cat and mouse thing. The more you chase them, the more they start running away from you and the more they start avoiding you. And the more they start avoiding you, the more you start feeling more anxious in that relationship dynamic. Now, the worst part is this push and pull dynamic creates a sort of addiction pattern. So you become more addicted to them while they are running away from you. Now, I have a way out for you because quite recently I was helping one of my clients in my high value love identity program, and she found herself in this cat and mouse chase, and she was chasing this avoidant partner who would keep avoiding her, and the more he avoided her, the more anxious she became in that relationship dynamic. So I helped her out, and I am about to share with you how you can turn the dynamics, because not only was she able to attract her avoidant partner into her life, but to be honest, she lost all the interest in him and she moved on. So this is for you if you want to either attract an avoidant partner or you want to move on from an avoidant partner. Now, the very first thing that I want you to start focusing on is stop chasing them. You need to start avoiding them. Why? Number one, it is because their attachment style is avoidant. The hint is within their attachment style, which is they get attached to people by avoiding them. So the more you can avoid them, the more you can stay in no contact, the more they will feel the pull towards you. That is very important. So you need to also understand people who are avoidant might have had an anxious partner within their childhood, because of which they got conditioned to feel avoidant in all relationship dynamics. And you are a manifestation of one of their parent who was anxious. And we are going to get to the part where they are a manifestation of your childhood conditioning. But the second thing that I want you to do is stop stalking them. I want you to mark my words. Stop stalking them. Your anxiousness will lead you towards stalking them. But remember something. The more you stalk them, the more it will trigger the anxiousness inside of you, because you will keep wondering what are they doing in their life? What's happening in their life? Are they happy without you? And with more and more stalking, that emotional feeling will get triggered inside of you. And here is a fun fact. You always attract what you feel inside. And if you are feeling more anxious or you are feeling more left out, they will make you feel more left out. We always manifest whatever we are feeling inside. Now, let's talk about the third point, which is the most important part. I want you to ask yourself, why are you attracted to this avoidant partner? Is it the first time that you have been attracted to someone who is avoidant in relationship? If the answer is no, there were other partners in your life who you were attracted to who ended up being avoidant. Then you have a pattern of attracting avoidant partners. Now this leads straight to your childhood, where you might have had an avoidant parent. It could be your father, it could be your mother. But in between the ages of 1 to 9, this is a time frame when our subconscious mind is developing, and it is developing our predominant neurological state. In simple words, our predominant neurological state is our default emotional setting. And whatever our default emotional setting is, we keep attracting that into our reality. Now, if you had an avoidant parent, you became anxious, because the more they avoided you, the more you started feeling anxious, and you have carried that pattern into your adult life relationships. So you keep attracting these avoidant partners into your life. This is because of your default emotional setting, which is your predominant neurological state. Now, the way I helped my client is I helped her remove her father wound, because her father was pretty avoidant. Now, this is where I want you to understand. If you had any of your parents, be it your father or your mother, and they were avoidant, you will develop an anxious attachment style. So you need to heal that original wound. The moment you heal that original wound, the pattern breaks, the pattern collapses, and that's exactly what we want. Because the moment I healed her father wound, her pattern just collapsed and she was no longer attracted to this avoidant partner. And remember what I said? We always attract based upon our default emotional setting, which is our predominant neurological state. So the moment I removed the father wound from her predominant neurological state, she was no longer attracted to this avoidant partner. She was pretty much shocked the moment I brought her out of hypnosis, and she was like, I have no feelings for this avoidant partner. And she is quite excited to experience a new version of reality. But here is a spoiler. Her avoidant came back to her. He started chasing her, because I want you to understand something. Why is her avoidant partner now chasing her? Because she healed. Her predominant neurological state is no longer anxious when he avoids her. So her predominant neurological state is now attracting people based upon a balanced subconscious mind. And because of that, she's attracting everyone into her reality, and she's manifesting everyone into her reality from her healed love identity. Her love identity has been transformed by healing her father wound and her mother wound. And this is now making her a magnet for whoever she desires. Even though she doesn't desire her avoidant ex, but at some point in her life, she did want him. So her subconscious mind easily manifested him, even though she no longer desires her avoidant ex. And this is where I want you to also understand that in order to attract something, you really have to let it go. And the best way to let it go is to heal. So I want you to understand something. You can start healing from today. All you have to do is you can sign up for my free Instant Heartbreak Healing Mastery course. It's a 90-minute course, and in this 90 minutes, I will teach you how your subconscious mind works, how subconscious patterns work, how your subconscious mind can heal instantly. And the best part is there is a hypnosis included in this course. And it's a 5-minute hypnosis, and it will remove any kind of a heartbreak, any kind of fear of rejection, fear of neglect, fear of abandonment. It will remove all of them in less than 5 to 6 minutes. And you will be shocked how fast it works, but it will also completely transform who you attract in your life. I'll leave a link in the description. And for those of you who would be interested in my High Value Love Identity program to completely transform your relationship pattern and become a magnet for long-term, healthy, sustainable relationship, you can consider my High Value Love Identity program. Now, the enrollment process is quite simple. You have to sign up for a free mini therapy session with me. Now, in this session, I will ask you a couple of questions, and if I feel like you are a good fit for my program, and I can promise you the results, because my program comes with a money back guarantee. So I need to make sure that I only allow people to enroll into my program who I can promise the results. And if I feel like I can promise you the results and you are a good fit for my program, I will allow you to enroll into my program. However, if I feel I cannot promise you the result, or my team feels like you might not be a good fit for my program, we might refuse your application. I hope that this video inspires you to take your first step towards healing. And remember, it's not about your avoidant partner, it's about healing your pattern so that you become a magnet for healthy, long-term, sustainable relationship. I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Ax. I'm an instant healing hypnotherapist. I help people remove their toxic recurring patterns or trauma bond so that they become a magnet for healthy, long-term, sustainable relationships. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a lovely comment to share your opinion on this matter. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.